It's 9 p.m. You've been at the factory or the office for 10 hours, and by the time you reach your front door, the simple act of unlacing your shoes feels like a chore. Then the phone buzzes. It's a reminder that 9,480 rupees are about to be debited for an EMI. In an instant, that notification replaces your evening's peace with a familiar, cold pressure. This is the reality for millions. You have a flat line representing a fixed salary, and against it, a growing stack of debt. The bike, the phone, the house. The math ensures your money is gone before the month even begins. When that debt bar overtakes your income, your entire life depends on a single point of failure. If that one salary stops, everything collapses. The problem is that building a second income takes energy, something you've already spent by the time you get home. To find a realistic exit, we are going to evaluate 5 skills based on 3 specific metrics: the energy you have left, the capital you can risk, and time to your first rupee. Escaping this cycle doesn't require quitting your job tomorrow. It requires a strategic decision to trade 2 hours of evening leisure for a skill that offers higher leverage than your current 9-to-5. We'll use this matrix to weigh options: input, outcome, and trade-off. First is content creation, building a digital asset once that generates income for years. The input is high. You must learn algorithms and produce consistently, often for zero pay. The outcome is a location-independent audience. Once you have their attention, your income scales automatically. But the trade-off is time. If an EMI is due next week, a YouTube channel is the wrong choice. Financial relief is heavily delayed. If you need to stop the bleeding immediately, you look at active freelancing, specifically thumbnail design and video editing. The input here is technical. You need to master editing tools and understand the psychology of what makes a person click or stay on a video. You also spend time on client outreach, pitching to creators. The outcome is fast cash. High-quality editors are rare, and because you provide immediate service, you can be paid within days of finishing a project. The trade-off is that you are still trading your hours for money. If you stop editing for a week, the income stops with you. You also have to manage the friction of client revisions and deadlines, which can be draining after a full day of regular work. In short, content creation builds your future, while active editing solves your current debt. The third path is smart investing, where we move from active labor to capital deployment. The input is discipline, moving your salary into assets like dividend stocks or ETFs. The outcome is a passive stream. Your capital earns a return regardless of your schedule, creating a silent layer of financial security. The trade-off is that it requires existing money to start. It won't help you if your bank account is at zero today. The fourth category is sales and communication. Think of this as a force multiplier for every other technical skill you possess. The input is social practice. You have to learn to pitch, negotiate, and handle the emotional weight of being told no. The outcome is higher rates. A video editor who can sell can charge 5 times more than an editor who just waits for orders. It also leads to faster promotions. The trade-off is the high emotional energy it consumes. If your goal is to work quietly in the background to recover from your day job, the social demands of sales will be a struggle. Every one of these paths can build wealth, but choosing the one that clashes with your personality is a guaranteed way to burn out. You don't need to learn all 5. Look at the math. A single skilled freelance project can often cover a month's bike installment. You only need to master one skill that generates more than your monthly debt to break the cycle. To find your starting point, ask yourself, what is my most urgent goal? If you are struggling to pay this month's bills and need cash immediately, then your path is active freelance. Spend your evenings mastering thumbnail design or video editing. These skills have the shortest path from learning to earning. If your debts are manageable and you want a way to eventually leave your job entirely, then you should focus on building digital assets through content creation and compounding your savings through investing. If you want to maximize your current career without learning technical software, your path is sales and communication. Use it to negotiate a higher salary or close better freelance deals. The trap is staying in the cycle because you're too tired to choose a path. Pick one, accept the trade-offs, and start building your leverage today.